In our last video, we talked about why DJI uses HEVC for its videos. But there's one problem you might run into when you move those videos to a Windows PC. You double-click the file, and it won't play. The good news? There are two easy ways to fix it. But first, let's see why this happens. The problem is usually not the video itself. It's the HEVC codec. HEVC, also known as H.265, is a highly efficient video compression format, but your Windows PC or the app you're using may not have the decoder needed to play it. So what can you do? Option 1. Install the HEVC Video Extension. This adds HEVC playback support to compatible Windows apps, so you can keep your original HEVC files and play them directly. But what if you don't want to install an extra codec? Option 2. Convert the HEVC video to a more widely supported format such as MP4. This can make the video easier to play, edit, and share across different devices and software. We'll use TotalMedia for a quick demo. Go to Video Converter, upload the HEVC file, select MP4 as the output, and hit Convert. In a few seconds, you'll have a file that plays on Windows and works in just about any editing software. And HEVC isn't the only format TotalMedia supports. It supports 1,000 plus formats for all your video needs. Give TotalMedia a try and subscribe for more camera and video tips.